the LINQ Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. Let's check it out and see what's going on and what's new with the LINQ. And you have the Carnival Court, which provides live music. Yeah, there's a live band playing right there. All right. And then Guy Fieri's Vegas. So this is his restaurant here in Las Vegas. And this is the entrance to the LINQ Hotel and Casino. All right. So this is the entrance to Guy Fieri's restaurant. Right here. And then we have the casino on the right. And then they also have table games in here. They have a disco show, dinner Ross. They have a bar. Looks like that Dunkin' is closed. Okay, so this is called the Catalyst Bar. Okay. All right, I think this is the famous walkway of the LINQ. So right now I'm here at the casino floor. And it looks like this is that is the sports book. Ah, okay. So this is the entrance and exit to the LINQ Promenade. Okay, so if you want to go to the LINQ Promenade, you'll be going through here, but let's go around here. And so they have a bar. So it looks like it's closed. Yep, there's another entrance and exit to the LINQ Promenade on the right. They have a restaurant. Yeah, and there's a lot of people eating. So this is another sports book. And they have a Serenity O2 bar, like aqua massage on this area. Oh, okay. Hmm. Oh, okay, so there's a bar too in here. All right, that's another bar. Then we go here. Okay, so there's a Mexican kitchen and tequila bar. Chayo, Chayo. Oh, and the table games are on the left. And okay, so this is the entrance to O'Shea's. This is the entrance to O'Shea's. Okay, so let's just go around here. So let's just complete the walking tour around. Oh, and this is the off the strip bistro bar. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. So this is the way to hash hash a go go. Oh, and this is the cashier area. Cashier area. Excuse me. They have the Nook Express. If you want a quick eat here. So we have the Purple Zebra Daiquiri Bars Las Vegas. Oh, these are the okay. So these are the way to the hotel elevators. So what do we have here? Okay, so this is their gift shop right here. Gift shops. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this is like a theater. Okay, the theater area. Oh, and these are the elevators for the hotel guests. And this is for Ramsay's Kitchen and Matt Franco's Theater. Okay, self parking. So let's go back here. So they have an Italian deli that is closed for the night. Hangover Energy Boost, which is also closed. They have a club tattoo. And then these are for the people now going to their hotel rooms. All right. Okay. And then this is the daiquiri area. All right. Purple Zebra Daiquiri, Las Vegas. And there are seating here. So let me go around here. Let's check out the slots. Check out the slots. Okay. Let's go around. And so now we could follow the walkway. Follow the walkway. Oh, Okay, so this is the bell desk. All right. Yeah, so they have the off the strip restaurant, O'Shea's, and the Chayo Mexican kitchen and tequila bar. And yep, this is their bar right here, entrance. And their main attraction here for their entertainment is Matt Franco. And I think this is their box office. So disco show, we're lost in music. So, oh, and also welcome to Chippendales. They also have the Chippendales here now. All right. So those are the entertainment that they have here at the LINQ. All right. Oh, okay. So looks like this is the strip access is back and to the right. So this is the okay. Let's check it out. So I could show it to you. Oh, valet. So this is the valet parking. Okay, valet, valet. All right, valet. And then this is their hotel registration. Yeah, these are their VIP registration in-house services. And this is the regular registration. And yep, you could see the Serenity O2 bar. And then there's the Catalyst bar. And then this is their registration right here. So the Guy Fieri's arrow is going right there. And so, okay, so this is a convenience store. They are selling also alcohol. You can see that they also have apples, oranges here, water, and then that is the Guy Fieri Vegas kitchen and bar. And then this is, okay, people are taking advantage of the display. All right. And so this is going back to where I was earlier. So if you like watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and be part of the Las Vegas Walking Tour Club with our YouTube channel, and watch the video next, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.